Welcome to another edition of the Weekend Roundup. I'm going to start off this week's edition with a few news items. Engineers from Draper and Harvard University are currently working on developing a small climbing robot that can be used for search and rescue operations in high-risk environments. Known as micro-robots, the robots are expected to be capable of object manipulation, jumping, and climbing walls all autonomously. Additionally, this week, EasyMile has announced the launch of its new EZ10 electric driverless shuttle. The shuttle is the first such vehicle in the world ready to operate without an onboard attendant, and the shuttle is supervised by a fully trained supervisor from a remote control center who uses a real-time data stream to monitor the autonomous vehicle and ensure communication with passengers. Brett, I understand you have a few driverless shuttles.
I am all in on self-driving stuff this week and automated vehicles. So the first one, it'd be nice if I used the right notes. Okay, here we go. The first one, Pima Community College in Arizona is working with the automated trunking company Too Simple to launch an automated driving certification program for truckers. So it's basically helping them adapt to potential new jobs in the future, such as overseeing a fleet of trucks remotely or stepping in to help drive when the situation requires it. Aurora, which is a company that does self-driving technology, has teamed with Fiat Chrysler to help develop self-driving cars. And also Hyundai and Kia have invested in Aurora. So Aurora is becoming a busy company. They're going to work with it to help build a platform for AVs for those two companies. Just a couple more real quick ones here. Argo AI and Ford have launched the third generation of their automated test vehicle. It's based on a Ford car. And the word on the street is that Apple is going to buy the company called Drive AI to further their much rumored, little seen self-driving car program. So like I said, I'm all in on self-driving things this week.
Sounds good. And we actually have a story on Drive AI in the next edition of our magazine.
Yes,
so
we do.
When that comes out, please read that. The last item for me is about Uber and Uber Eats. So for all the people out there who use Uber Eats, this will be exciting news. Uber Eats has begun testing food deliveries by drone in San Diego with McDonald's, and they have plans to expand those operations to other restaurants later on this year. The way it works is after the meal is loaded into a drone by restaurant workers, the drone makes the delivery to an Uber Eats driver at a drop-off location, and then the driver hands the delivery to the person who ordered it. And Uber says that the service should decrease food delivery time significantly. So they're already pretty quick, but it'll be even quicker now. So
good thing we had lunch already.
Yes, exactly. As always, the links will be at the bottom, and have a good rest of the week and a good weekend.